In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful Korean aesthetic makeup look, perfect makeup look for a winter day for the pink lovers like me. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to prepare my skin for makeup. Please check the link below to know how to prepare skin for makeup. Right after that, I'm going to draw my eyebrows. For a perfect eyebrow tutorial, please check the description below. Right after that, I'm going to create a base for my eyelids and also cleaning my eyebrows. With help of a concealer named O2O, I'm in a shade vanilla of this concealer. Now I'm using iMagic foundation. I'm in a shade 23. Now I'm blending the foundation with a beauty blender in a dab motion. If you are not wearing hijab, don't forget to blend the remaining foundation in your neck. Now it's time for eyeshadow. First I'm going to use a liquid nude lipstick in my eyelid and I'm going to blend it with a brush. Right after that, I'm taking a dark pink shade in my same blending brush. Then I'm going to blend it in all over my eyelids. Right after that, I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. Just a basic wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to contour my face a little bit. I'm going to contour my nose with the help of brown eyeshadow and also contouring my face with a brown eyeshadow. I'm not using any bronzer or contour palette because I'm a broke. Whatever, I can use a brown eyeshadow. So here we go. I'm blending this contour with a damn beauty sponge. Right after that, I'm going to use a plenty amount of pink blush in my cheeks and the lower area of my nose, because in this aesthetic makeup look they always use a plenty amount of blush. Right after that, I'm going to create some freckles on my face with the help of my eyeliner brush's tail and using some brown pomade for the freckles. Then I'm going to dab this so that it's natural looking. Okay, right after that, I'm going to use a little bit of concealer underneath of my eyes and I'm going to blend it with the help of my finger. Now I'm going to use the same pink eyeshadow in my lower line. Time for lippy. First, draw your lip lines with a pink or nude lip liner. Right after that, I'm going to use a dark pink lipstick in the lower line of my lips, just like that, and then smudge it with your finger and give a beautiful smudged effect. Hey wait, it's not done. I'm going to use a nude lipstick as well. Then I'm going to use the nude lipstick just a little bit in the upper side of my lips and I'm going to blend it with my finger. Voila, my lips are ready. Now I'm going to use a pressed powder or compact powder, whatever you say, the compact powder all over my face so that my skin does not get oily or does not fall off so easily, whatever you say. Blend, blend, blend. Blend it all over your face, all over your lips. I have used a pair of falsies in my eyes off camera. And then I'm going to use a coat of mascara so that my natural lashes and falsies are blended. Now I've used a homemade setting spray. Right after that, I'm going to highlight my highest point of my face, in my nose, in my upper lips, in my cheekbones, and also in my chin. Voila, you are ready. This is the final look, and don't forget to comment down below that how do I look, and subscribe and share with your friends. যখন প্রথম ফুটেছে কলি আমার মল্লিকা